Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the T3 controller. First, power on your T3 controller by pressing the home button. Next, activate Bluetooth on your device and search for T3 gamepad. Select it to pair. Alternatively, connect using a USB cable for a direct link. Make sure the controller is fully charged for the best experience. This simple setup gets you ready to play in moments. Understanding the basic functions of your T3 controller is key to enjoying your games. The left joystick is for movement, while the right joystick handles camera control or aiming. Use the A, B, X, and Y buttons for actions like jumping, attacking, or interacting. The D-pad is perfect for navigating menus or specific directional inputs. Familiarize yourself with these for smooth gameplay. The T3 controller offers more than just basic inputs. Many games and systems allow you to remap buttons, tailoring the layout to your preference. Some models include a turbo function, letting you hold a button for continuous rapid presses, which is great for certain game genres. Don't forget the immersive vibration feedback, adding another layer to your gaming. Dive into these features to enhance your play. To ensure your T3 controller lasts, keep it clean and avoid extreme temperatures. If you encounter connection problems, try resetting the controller using the small button on the back. For optimal battery life, charge it regularly but avoid overcharging. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Taking good care of your controller ensures many hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.